Welcome to Little Sam Big World. Today I'm gonna be instructing my boyfriend Andrew and my brother-in-law Felipe on how to make these delicious mini pumpkin pie treats for your dog. Today we're gonna be making them for Luca and Samson. All right, so first off, one of you guys has to measure out 1 3/4 cup of oat flour and put it into that big bowl. And then Felipe, you can measure out 3/4 cup of applesauce. All right, now you guys just mix that or knead it until it's like one big ball of dough. This will be the pie crust. So once you guys have that somewhat into a ball-like form, just divide them up into 24 pieces and put them into the muffin tray. Now that you have your pie crust formed, time to pop these babies in the oven at 350 degrees for 8 minutes. Watch out, guys. Alright, now that the pie crusts are ready, just take them out of the oven and place them on the side somewhere so they can cool off, and you're ready to make your pumpkin pie filling. It's just a cup of the pumpkin puree and 1 banana peeled and mashed. This turned out pretty well. Alright, once you guys have the pie filling mash, just start filling in the crusts. Clearly we didn't have a masher for the bananas, but don't worry, it might not look the best, but your puppies will enjoy this treat. All right, so once you have a few pumpkin pies, time to put on the optional toppings. So Andrew's gonna put whipped cream on some of them if you wanna give your dog a little bit of an unhealthier treat. And Felipe has low-fat yogurt, which you can also use as a substitute. All right, now that you guys have the finished product, time for a taste test. So that's how you make mini pumpkin pie treats for your dog. Thanks for watching.